Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to use Gale in Context, a database that is going to help you with your American Revolution project. So we'll start here at our library and research resources pages. There are a whole bunch of different resources that you can use, different databases for different subjects, and you'll see them at the top here. For this one, it's right up front, because we can use Gale in Context for a whole bunch of courses. So it's in the first section. So we're going to click there, and it will take us to the main page. So you're going to see right away, you've got a search bar, you've got some topics of interest. Right now it's Native American Heritage Month, so that's there. You can kind of scroll through and see some hot topics. And then you can also browse different topics by subject. So take a few minutes when you get in and just kind of play around, look at the main page. We might even want to go to Browse Topics here and see what we have. And you can see you can browse by time period, you can browse by organization, by country. And if we scroll down, we're going to see, American Revolution is a topic that we can explore. So let's click there. When you click a topic, you're going to get an overview of the whole event. This is going to be the whole American Revolution, so many years, 1775 to 1783. And then you'll see all kinds of content. Up here, it kind of gives you an overview of the type of content, like we have videos and we have magazines and websites. And as you scroll down, you'll see in detail all of those different pieces. So you'll see the featured content here, the things that they want you to see first. Over here is reference, so that'll give you kind of overviews and definitions of different events and topics. You'll see biographies, so the people who are involved. Primary sources, so those are documents that came from that time period, such as the Declaration of Independence or Patrick Henry's Call to Arms. You'll see some multimedia things such as images, audio, video, some magazine articles, and even news articles. Scrolling down, we get academic journals, so there's our scholarly articles, all kinds of stuff. And then websites that give you more information. So you might want to start here and just start exploring the American Revolution in general. And then when you're ready, you can start your search. So part of the assignment is to research a battle. So up here, if you're doing Fort Ticonderoga, we're going to type in Fort Ticonderoga and see what happens. Alrighty. So very similar to when we were just browsing the topic of American Revolution, we get some different materials, and as we scroll down, we see them in detail. So a good place to start would be in the reference. This is our first article. We see, okay, soon after shots were fired, we know they're talking about a battle. We can click here, and then we get an overview of Fort Ticonderoga and what happened there. Now, as we scroll down, we're going to see something really important, and that is the citation for this article. So it is really, 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 I'll say it one more time, really important that you cite your sources. It's good practice to give credit where credit is due. And also, you don't want to be accused of plagiarism, where you are passing off someone else's information as your own. Gale makes it really easy. All you have to do is select here and then copy it. Actually, I think if you just select it and then do like Command or Control C, and then you can just put that right into your citation or your reference page. They make it super easy for you. Now, there might be other things you want to explore here, and they give you that option. So if you're looking to go deeper into learning more about Fort Ticonderoga, we can look up the dictionary about the capture of it, and that'll give us some more information. Again, note your sources. If we go back, we'll see, oh, there's some people that are connected to it. It looks like Ethan Allen and Benedict Arnold were major players. So we might want to click on them and find out more information. So essentially, the way you're going to use this is you're going to put your search terms into the search box and just kind of browse through and see what information you find. If you need support, Miss Madden is here, and your teachers can also help you. All right, I hope that you're feeling a little more confident using Gale in context. Go forth and search and feel empowered.